Hey guys, it's Bisal here, and today I'll be showing you how to fix the black screen recording while recording from Kazam. So if you are facing the black screen or just the mouse pointer with the black screen while you're recording from Kazam, then I guess this video will be helpful for you. So I've got some sample videos just to show what I was facing, and I tried researching many sites, but yeah, it didn't help. But yeah, I've got the solution, and I think this will help you. So these are some sample videos that I tried to record from Kazam earlier, and as you can see, it's totally black screen. Nothing is here. I've got the audio, but I've just muted. um, yeah, so total black screen. I've got another video with same black screen, but I've got the mouse pointer. The audio recording is fine, but yeah, no black screen. So what you might do is open the Kazam. So on Kazam, then you might want to go on preferences, then on screencast, select the MP4, and then close the Kazam. And after that, open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt D, or go from the application menu. So after you go in the terminal, just type the command as sudo and open the file with nano slash etc slash gdm3 slash custom.conf. That's config file, and then write your password. So after that, you'll have this configuration file, and when you go down to the WLAN enable, so that's commented right now, just delete the hash, and after that press the Control X, and then save the modified buffer with Y, pressing Y. Then after that, file name to write, press enter. Then after that, what you might want to do is restart your computer again, and then after that, I hope this problem will fix for you. It fixed for me. So yeah, I've got some sample videos as screen recording after I restarted my computer after the solution. Then yeah, I've got the sample recording. So yeah, it fixed for me. So I hope that will help, and if that helped, you, please like, share, or subscribe. It will keep motivating me, inspiring me to make other cool videos like this. And yeah, thank you, and hope this helps. Bye.